Hey my gluten-free friends, today we're going to be making these spinach and feta buns in a muffin pan. This delicious spanakopita muffin-shaped bread will have your mouth watering, just like mine was when I pulled them straight out of the oven. This is so nice and bready. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm going to have to eat some. These are perfect for breakfast, lunch, or as a light snack. You can take them to a picnic even. You can slather them in tzatziki or dip them into a poached egg or eat them just like that. The great thing about this recipe is that you don't need to pre-cook your spinach and squeeze the living guts out of it. All you need to do is roughly chop it and add his best mates, spring onion, dill and parsley. Don't skimp out on the herbs. They give this bread its signature spanakopita flavour. Now we're going to be adding salt in the wet mixture, so you don't add it here because we don't want that to sort of release the liquids. I think I'm coming down with a bout of laryngitis, so if I sound like a 60-year-old man who's been smoking for like 70 years, that's probably why, so just bear with me. As usual, I will leave a list of the ingredients and measurements in the description box below, and if you like the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up because that lets me know that you're watching, and I think that's pretty cool. Anyway, so what we're going to do now is crumble some feta cheese into the bowl of the spinach and greens. We're also going to add some cheddar cheese or mozzarella to the mix, but this is just an optional step. You don't need to add extra cheese if you don't want to. So now we're going to start putting everything together, and the recipe comes together really quickly after this. You just give it a little bit of a mix and then you get a really beautiful thick consistency, just like this. So spoon the mixture evenly amongst the muffin holes there, and you can top it with a little bit of cheese if you want to. And 30 to 40 minutes later, you've got this amazing bread. I'll take a bite.